Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can control your TV, AC or fridge by using your mobile phone. So first you want to open Google Play Store and search MI Remote. Now install the first app. Now open the app. Click agree and give all the permissions to the app. Now click on add remote. Select the appliances with which you want to add the remote. I am selecting an AC with which I want to add the remote. Now select the brand of the appliance. I am selecting the Panasonic brand because I have a Panasonic AC. After the power button appears, click on it to see if the appliance turns on or not. As you can see, when I click on the power button, my AC turns on. If your appliance turns on by pressing the power button, then click on the yes button below to continue the process. Click on the off button to turn off the appliance. If your appliance turns off, then click on the yes button to proceed ahead. Now if you want to add name to your appliance, then you can do it here, or else save it by clicking on the pad button. If you want to add shortcut to your home screen, you can do it from here. Now your device has been successfully paired. Now click on the power button to start the device again. You can operate the different functions by clicking on the given below buttons. Click on the power button to turn off the appliance. Your paired devices can be seen here. So that's how you can control your TV, fridge or AC by using your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you with a new video.